Hi everyone. Okay, I have my Spellbinders kit of the month. So I want to see what I got. I do have a cold and a cough, so please forgive me if I start choking. I don't mean to, but I'm sick, but I really need to get these things off my floor. Okay, let's start with the Glimmer of the Month. This is the whole kit and caboodle. This is pretty. And you also get foil, glimmer foil. Which color is this one? Aura. And then you get the clear stamp of the month in die. So this is your stamp and this is your die set, and they coordinate. And then Wonderful Christmas. Isn't this pretty? Why does it feel like such a big glare, you guys? I am not sure. Let me see. Oop. Let me not do that. Okay, let me see. Do you know why there's a big glare? I don't know. But hopefully you guys can see well enough. So this is floral. That's really pretty. This is outlined Christmas sentiments. This is the small die of the month. And that says Merry Christmas. Greetings enclosed. Warm Christmas greetings enclosed. So they have a vehicle accident and they have extrication. Sorry guys. 3D poinsettia surprise envelope. This is the APG die of the month. Yeah. So very pretty. I'm going to try and go through this a little quicker, that way I don't keep coughing in your ear. Stitched ornament and display. Large die of the month. This looks like a knitting needle. Oh, it's... Wait, what is it? Oh, it's it's the hanger. I think it's the hanger. Is that right? Oh, wow. So it's a nice stitch. And it's a hanger, I believe. That's cool. And then you have the embossing folder, Scattered Christmas. This one's beautiful. Oh, yeah, this is really pretty. So this was, I think this is 100 and, is it 125, you guys? Or is it more than that? I don't remember. It's like 128. Maybe it's 128, 129. And it's so worth it, you guys. Oh, it's a Christmas kit. What is this one? This one is, let me blow my nose. Oh, what fun. Oh, so that's a Christmas one. How fun. So 10 cards, 10 envelopes, standard stuff. Then we have our standard, that stuff. My puppies are playing. Yeah. And let's see. Sorry guys, I'm just not feeling very well, so I'm all over the place, but I hate being sick. Gosh darn it. Okay, so we got gold, white, like the standard colors they usually give you. And it's always 9. And one of these days they're going to surprise everybody and bump it up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Yeah, they'll bump it up to 10. I swear they will. Maybe one day. And you get sequins. You get the sequins, which I love. I just saw the die. Where did the die go? It's right here. So this is the die you get in the card kit also. And this is, now remember, everything is sold individually. You don't have to get the whole kit and caboodle. So it's actually Santa and the tree and the Noel and the little sprig right there. That is so cool. So you get all of that. But yeah, everything is sold individual, so you can do a la carte. You don't have to do all of this. If you don't like the card kit, you don't have to get the card kit kind of thing. So yeah, and then here's the sentiments. And then the stamp set. That's a toy. The babies are playing with toys. And oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh, look at the candy cane. This is so cute, you guys. And then we have the frames. Now they're all gonna go bonkers. So, we have the frames. Oh, look how pretty they are. Oh, I love that. Oh, so nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love the colors, too. The colors are beautiful. Okay, let's look at the paper pad. I'll try to keep going, you guys. We can... I got this, I think, last week, so everything's been out for a while. So I always show my stuff late because right now life is crazy. You add two extra puppies in, and then one with special needs, and whew, Lordy, it's like being a parent all over again. And it's hard, especially because I'm home alone a lot, so I have no one to help. And you know, it's hard. It's funny because you wouldn't think so, but yeah. But one's getting into something. Oh, I don't know what she's doing. I can't see her because there's such a mess in my way right now. I went to Frank Garcia's retreat, and I brought home lots of goodies. Lots and lots of goodies. And I need to clean up. We took stuff too for the crop, or to use for the classes and everything, and so we brought it all in from my car. It filled up my car, and then yeah, it's been, I need to clean. But I got sick at the retreat, and then my husband went to work today, so I'm by myself, and I don't feel good. So it's been fun. Oh, my favorite. This is my favorite. Hold on, I gotta. Oh, sorry. I love that. That is my absolute favorite. I love this kit so much. And you can see every single piece of this better in the Spellbinders YouTube channel. So I encourage you to go look at their YouTube channel, to subscribe to them, and see each month's kit in better quality, in better, and just better. You know, you can see each individual piece that you get, and even how you can die cut and use them. Yana Samakula, she has her own YouTube channel. She also demos a lot of this stuff from the kits. Spellbinders has their own design team for all their kits. So everybody always has samples. So I encourage you guys to go find them and watch them, because this stuff is so useful. You get so much. It's just amazing how much they give you, and to me it's inexpensive because of how much you get, all the value that you get. So I can't say enough good things about this, and I will continue to get them because I love them so much. All right, guys, that's it. I'm good. All right, we'll see you all next month. Bye.